okay?
Say again?
Being recorded.
Okay.
Trooper Bruce with the state police. You know how fast you were going?
65?
68, I got you going. Do you know what the speed limit is in the tunnel?
Oh, 55?
45.
40? Oh.
You have your license on you?
Yeah, yes.
Registration? See the registration for the bike?
That's
It's
it.
in the seat. Whose bike is it?
That's mine.
Your bike?
Yes.
Alright man, you can hop back on, okay? I'll be right back. So, you know, you drive in the city a lot?
Yes.
Alright, so you know how people drive in the city, right?
Say again?
You know how people drive in the city, right?
Yes,
Boston? They're not that good. You know, if you're going 68, in the tunnel, you're gonna get hurt. Someone's gonna cut you off, you know what I mean?
This is my first time getting pulled over. What, in 3 years?
In how many years?
3 years.
Okay.
It's my first time.
Alright, I'm just letting you know.
Okay.
You know, you're gonna get yourself hurt driving like that.
Okay.
Alright, you're going almost 30 over.
I thought it was 55 in there.
45. And it's a 40 on this road. After you get out of the tunnel.
Okay.
Alright, it's just a warning. Okay?
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Alright, stay safe.
Yep.